Hello, my sources of employment in my city, Tuluá Valle del Cauca. My name is Yesenia Lisset Agudelo Ramirez. I live in Tuluá City, Department of Valle del Cauca. We are going to talk a little about the economy and its main sources of employment. The city has several sugar mills producing sulfate sugar and sugarcane and canelera derivatives. Two of their main companies are Ingenio Pichichi S.A. and Ingenio Carmelita S.A. Also has the flour producing industry of various cereals, Industria de Harinas de Tuluá S.A., a company producing Girls Leva Pan S.A. The service producing industries are diverse and also great sources of employment for the city. They are basically dedicated to providing service to community, public and private such as Tulaceo, Centro Aguas, Sexa, Electricity Company of telecommunication companies such as Claro, Movistar, Tigo, etc. Tuluá also has 3 shopping centers that generate employment for many people and allow to market dry production such as La Herradura, Bicentenario Plaza, and La 14 Shopping Center. Thank you.